Hi, I'm Jim Stevens from Softeon. In this week's Logistics Insights podcast, moving towards a mobile robot operating system. We'll be back to discuss this important topic in just a few seconds.
This podcast is brought to you by Softeon, providing innovative solutions for warehouse management, warehouse execution, and distributed order management. Softeon, delivering supply chain success every time.
Mobile robots provided by vendors such as Zebra Fetch, Locus Robotics, Six Rivers, and many others are increasing in popularity for a variety of reasons. First, they can drive a lot of efficiencies by reducing operator travel time. For example, an order picker could work a relatively small zone while a consistent stream of robots holding totes or shipping cartons arrive at the zone. A display tells the picker what SKUs in that zone are needed for each order on the robot. The picks are made, and the robot moves on to another zone and picker, and eventually to packing when the order or orders are complete. As hopefully was clear in this scenario, it is the mobile robots doing most of the travel, while this picker stays relatively stationary. There are advantages to mobile robots. For example, you can usually start small, trying a small number of bots to start, and expanding with success. Robots are relatively affordable and are often priced in a subscription model versus requiring a large upfront investment. The scenario we described is just one use case. There are many other use cases and types of robots, such as autonomous AGVs for more point-to-point movements. So here's a key question. Should you use the robot maker's software for managing the robot's activities? We'll note the level of those capabilities varies very dramatically by robot vendor, from some that have very little capabilities beyond moving the machine from point A to point B, to others that almost appear to be building their own warehouse management system. A critical point is that if you use the software from the robot provider, it may be difficult to add different types of robots or robots of the same type from different vendors over time. In the first scenario, you can wind up with islands of automation, with each robot type running off its own software, creating operational silos. In the second scenario, it will reduce or eliminate your ability to add robots from different vendors over time. What's a better choice? Probably to adopt an overall robot control system. This is something Gartner calls a multi-agent orchestration platform. Here at Softeon, we prefer the term robot operating system, which is also in use. But whatever the name, such a system will manage the integration of robots with warehouse management systems or other software and potentially with each other, such as robotic put-away of a receive load delivered to a drop zone by a point-to-point robot. The robot operating system will assign work across robot types or vendors based on that work's attributes, type of task, availability of robot resources, current location, and more. Such an approach eliminates rather than creates silos, increases productivity by orchestrating work across robots, and provides maximum flexibility to add robot types and vendors over time. As you might have guessed, Softeon offers such robot software. Visit us at Softeon.com to learn more. For Softeon, this is Jim Stevens. Thanks for listening.